Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structures Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer1. Okay, so the first question is, what is the significance of time complexity and space complexity? Okay, so every problem that we have to solve needs an algorithm, and there like every problem would have in multiple ways. Most of the problems would have multiple solutions. So to define which solution is the best solution, we need time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity and space complexity will define which program time complexity will define that which program runs the fastest, and space complexity would define which program needs how much space. Okay, so uh, like this is the uh, like like to determine which solution is better, we need time and space complexity. For example, let's say we need to search a number, integer number, from an array. So there are multiple ways, right? So one of them is uh, linear search, then another one is binary search. Okay, so linear search would have O of n time complexity, and binary search would have log n time complexity. So according to the situation, we need to decide that which which algorithm, linear search or binary search, is best for us. So to define that, we need time complexity and space complexity. Okay, the second question is, what is data structure? Okay, so data structure is just a way of storing, retrieving and organizing the data in such a way uh, that storing and retrieving should be very efficient. So like okay, so data structure is a way of storing, retrieving and organizing data in a most efficient way, I would say. So let's say, for example, uh, I have a bunch of names, so okay, list of 100 names. So I need to store them and organize them in such a way that if I want to find a particular name from that list, it should be easy to find, right? And if I want to increase, or increase the number, like let's say I want to add in 10 more names to that list, so it should be easily expandable, and uh, like uh, it should be expandable in very efficient way, in a very less time. So I should retrieve and store the data in in a very less time, and as soon as possible, uh, and very efficiently. Explain linear and non-linear data structures. Okay, so linear data structures are the data structures that stores the data in linearly. For example, array or linked list or stack or queue. So the data that gets stored is one after another, like in a linear way. Okay, so that's the linear data structure, and another one is non-linear data structures. So non-linear data structures are the data structures that that won't store the data in a linear way. For example, a tree or an map. Okay, so a tree, for example, a binary tree. So each node would have would have two child nodes. So the data is not exactly stored as linear. Okay, and in a map, what happens is uh, every node would have a link to another node, like that it can traverse to, or kind of traverse to. So so even there the data is not stored linearly, so that is why those are called non-linear data structures. Thank you.